Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain to you because I got a lot of questions about MicroStrategy. Now it's called strategy, and the owner is the CEO, Michael Saylor. You know, Michael Saylor is a true believer in Bitcoin. It's just a belief that Bitcoin will be the most important value, and by years it will become the biggest investment in the whole world. This is his ideas, this is his beliefs. But understand that the market doesn't, sometimes it's neutral, it doesn't know your beliefs. So at first, Michael Saylor said, because he see the history and he see his stock is going from, let's say, he makes 1000%, which is an excellent thing, 10 times, and everything was okay. And he said, if Bitcoin goes, let's say, 1.1%, his MicroStrategy or MSTR stock, as a symbol of MSTR, will go 2.5x. It means you will be making more than you buy Bitcoin itself. But the problem is that you see that MicroStrategy is going down for a long time, and Bitcoin is, just last week it goes to 126,000. So what is the problem? For those who don't understand what is the problem, I will tell you fundamentally what's the problem. You understand that Michael Saylor, since he believes that Bitcoin is the ultimate investment in the whole world and it's the future of humanity, he is acquiring more and more Bitcoin as a Bitcoin. Not now, how did he acquire his Bitcoin? He is selling his own shares to buy Bitcoin. That's why you see, if you own a MicroStrategy for a long time, you see that MicroStrategy is not going is not going up anymore. It's in a downtrend, a very large downtrend, and it lost a lot from the high of last July. Okay, so understand that the stock is in stress, because whenever this MicroStrategy is selling his own shares to buy Bitcoin, his stock is shorted by big short sellers. And you know, when they see that there is something wrong with the company, and you know, this company is not a very big company. The only thing that makes it big is just when they buy too much of Bitcoin. So guys, understand that this stock is going down for a long time. And if it continues going a very long time, it means, oh, if you own for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 6 years, and you make a lot of money, all these profits will disappear month by month. And this is one of the biggest mistakes in the whole world. Stock market, it's not Bitcoin. And because Bitcoin is a new asset, it's a crypto asset. It's not. It's a new. We don't know how it moves. We know the history from 2009, 3rd of January, when Bitcoin was launched and people began to buy it when it was less than $1. But the problem is that some people think the past is the future. And this is one of the biggest mistakes. Biggest mistakes. 126,000 for Bitcoin, like last week. Michael Saylor said that it will go to 1 million and then to 13 million. For me, it's just his wishes. He wants his wishes to come true. And he's advertising, he's influencing people, influencing big guys, banks, companies to buy and hold, in order to replace gold. Okay? In order to replace gold in the future. But understand, as Bitcoin goes up, it can go down. And 126, now it is 17. It can go to it can go to 90,000, 80, 70, 30, 10,000, 1,000. Well, what holds Bitcoin? You say that all the people are buying, It's the same as gold. Gold, they say the scarcest, scarcest mineral is gold, but gold is it's going down sometimes 50%. You find it's you buy any stock, it's better than gold. Okay, so understand, for those who believe in certain things, that their belief, the market can crush their beliefs and they crush their dreams, especially those people who put too much money. And the people, they make them believe that it's true, that it will go to that price. 1 million, 13 million, anyone can say any number. But what if it's the opposite? What if from 126 it goes to 10,000? What do you think about that? Because what holds this is just people. People, they can't change their mind. Even Michael Saylor, they can't change his mind one day, and he said everything. And he goes, buys skyscrapers, he buys things, he buys wherever things, and he will be the king, of this new kingdom. So what I'm saying is that I give you the reason why the stock has been going down. But in terms of swing trading, what I do is it doesn't matter why the stock goes down. Going down is a fact. It's a downtrend. You see it. And it can continue to go down. Who will stop it? If the owner is selling his shares, if Michael Saylor is selling MicroStrategy shares to buy Bitcoin, he doesn't care about his shares anymore. And he has this obsession to buy more and more and more. Okay, and this is bad, because he will be like having a lot of Bitcoin, and then if he changes his mind one day, what will happen if he changes his mind? What if he will sell all his shares in one day, all his Bitcoin in one day? He won't money to do something else, or to make other companies, or to buy land, or because he doesn't believe. He said, I don't believe in anything because they can take it from me. But Bitcoin, this is what he said in his speeches, that it's the only thing that they can't take from me, because they can't. Okay? And for me, you know, these things, it is just ideas and beliefs that he believes in. Okay? And when you put too much money in something and this thing collapses, all your life collapse. And because he doesn't rely on this, he just hold it for the future. For whom? You know, the span of life is 70 years or 80 years or 90 years, for example. This is what you have. You have some years to live. That's it. You accumulate wealth, and then at the end of your age, you don't do nothing with this money because you don't do what you want with this money, and then you die, and then you leave it for others who come and they have done nothing in their life, and then they inherit all this money, like all the big rich in our world. Okay, they accumulate a lot of wealth, and then it's taken from them and given to others. So understand that the market doesn't work with beliefs. It works with action. Action. People are selling, people are buying, and they change their mind all the time. Okay, so gold in this year, last year, it has been going up so good because the government, all the whole world, they are buying, banks are buying. Okay, but they can change their mind next year, the other year, and you can see gold from 4,000 goes to 2,000 or 1,000, and all the people lose all their wealth, all their money at once. This is the market. Nothing stays the same because it's a continuous action. And for us, like a swing trader, what do? We do only one thing. We buy to make money, and then when we make our money, we exit. We don't stay until our money or profits is taken by other people when there is a downtrend. And this, if you understand this, you understand the market itself, how it moves. Okay? It moves into trends. If you don't understand trends, that is the biggest mistake that you do in the market. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you have understood some of what I say about MicroStrategy and why it goes down. And hope if you have other ideas or other things that I have not mentioned, or you know better than me, because fundamentally I'm not interested in fundamentals. I just see the chart and see what the people say and what the chart say, and I believe in the chart. I don't believe in anyone what it says about the market. The chart tells the truth always. Thank you.